everyone. Today I wanted to share with you these pretty shaker gift tags that I made. I will tell you how I made them. Let's see here. So I used a chipboard gift tag that I had bought, and I used that as the backing on them. So you can see here, these particular ones have just kind of like a notebook look to them. And I think I did that on all of them. Oh, this one's just the plain white on the back. So I used that as the backing, and I traced out the shape of the tag so that I could use the pretty paper on the front. So yeah, I traced that out, and I used my 1.5 inch circle punch for the opening here. Then I used the sticky foam tape to go around the edges of the chipboard, so that kind of creates the width in between there to lift it up a little bit so you can fit your shaker bits in there. So after I did that, then I added the sequins. I just used a little mix of pretty colored sequins here. Of course, you can use any colors that you like that would go with the paper that you choose. And then you add the piece of cellophane to make the window. And basically then you just apply once you put the sticky tape on there, the foam in between, you would apply the front of your scrapbook paper over the sequins and the cellophane in the window there, and then just embellish it as you like. So here's some that I've done. I'll show you them. This one, of course, says beautiful on there. It has a little 3D flower on there, and then the shaker bits inside there. And then I did one here that I used some little bit of washi tape on here. Some layered from my circle punch there, a little pretty flower on the front, and the shakers sequins inside there. Another one in that same pattern is says amazing on there with the pretty flower and the sequins inside. That one's the white on the back. I did this one. I like that paper with the little design on there. It just kind of looks classy. And I think on this one I added a few little bits of the stickle, the glitter glue there. And yeah, I think it turned out really cute with the pretty flower on it, and then the ribbon to hold it there. I did another one with pink, and let's see here, just with added embellishments with the flower, and added a little extra piece in the window down there, a few extra sequins on there, and the silver ribbon to hang for the tag. Yeah, so I think they turned out really cute. I didn't really follow anyone's tutorial on this. I just kind of had watched so many, I wasn't even sure who to reference. So, but I think they turned out nice, and you know, maybe there's something that you would like to make for to add to your gifts or to your Happy Mail, or to just give away in your craft swaps. So yeah, I hope you have fun and give them a try. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.